Hey guys, welcome back to Trike and Trek. Today, me and Cannon are going to be teaching you how to make a realistic parachute for your bike.
The first step of making a parachute is finding the supplies. You will need
Any kind of string,
a grocery bag, some tape, and scissors.
The next step of making your parachute is cutting down the string. You're going to need to cut it down to about 2.5 feet or 30 inches. You'll have to do this twice. The third step to making your own parachute is tying the strings to the handles of the bag.
You need to double knot both of the strings. Last step of making a parachute is to tape the tips together like this and tape it to the back of your seat.
When you're going down the street, have the parachute in your pocket, and at the finish line, pull it out of your pocket and it should inflate.
Hey guys, this design took over 2 years of perfecting just to get the right results.
Also, if you would like to make a double parachute, just make 2 of these and tape both of them to your seat.
And if you liked the results of this video, give it a like, please.